Hi students. I'm going to try something new and hopefully it's going to work for this last week. Instead of doing a discussion board, I'm going to give you 10 points for your participation in a final reflection. And this reflection, you can write it if you wish. So for example, if I were a student in the class, I would just put my name here and then I would start typing my thoughts here, okay? But what I'd really like to encourage you to do is make a very short recording, no longer than like two minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, or even less, okay? And you can use this record upload media button, which is right here on the page, okay? So you have access, you can edit this page. So I've put some questions in the reflection, but basically think about it as just saying a few words to the future students in my class about your experience. And you can be honest, if it was hard, if it was whatever, just tell them what you thought, okay? Appreciate you. And I'll talk about this more in our meeting just so that you understand how to do this. All right, thank you.